Welcome to the $13 billion floating city, home to 5,000 sailors. Constructed from over 60,000 tons of specialized American steel. Every component here is built on a scale that defies logic. Four and a half acres of sovereign U.S. territory moving across the ocean. This is the brain of the ship, controlling everything from navigation to combat. Giant elevators move 80-ton jets like they are toys. Height is everywhere. Working here means living hundreds of feet above the sea. It can track threats from hundreds of miles away in every direction. Four massive bronze screws propel this 100,000-ton giant. Millions of gallons of jet fuel are stored deep within the hull. The hangar bay is a 2-story tall fortress of steel and machinery. Everything must be locked down to survive the ocean's fury. The scale comparison is unbelievable. It's a mountain on the move. Life on the edge. Safety is the only thing between life and death. A symbol of American power, built to last for half a century. Beneath the deck lies a maze of 18 miles of hallways. Watertight integrity is the ship's first line of defense. Two nuclear reactors provide unlimited power for 25 years. Superheated steam is the lifeblood of the catapults and engines. Engineers work in extreme heat to keep the Titan moving. The drive shaft turns engine power into unstoppable thrust. The ship generates enough electricity to power a small city. Everything is manual and mechanical for ultimate reliability. They produce 400,000 gallons of fresh water every day. Climate control is essential for the 5,000 people inside. Advanced technology meets raw, heavy engineering. The bomb farm is located deep below the waterline. Damage control is every sailor's most important job. Layers of armor protect the nuclear core from any attack. It takes immense force to turn a 100,000-ton vessel. The galley serves over 18,000 meals every single day. The scale of food production is mind-blowing. They carry enough food to last for months without resupply. Everything you find in a city is found right here on board. Staying fit is a requirement, even in the middle of the ocean. Sleep is a luxury in these tiny, shared living quarters. Personal space is limited to a few cubic feet. The laundry never stops in a city of 5,000 people. Staying connected to the world is a constant challenge. Mail call is the best part of every sailor's day. Waste management is a massive operation in the middle of the sea. From surgery to dental work, they are prepared for anything. Mealtime is the heart of the ship's social life. Cleanliness is vital to maintain this billion-dollar asset. Spirituality provides strength during long months at sea. At night, the ship transforms into a stealthy, red-lit fortress. Night operations are the most dangerous part of carrier life. Precision signaling prevents disasters in the dark. Catapults use raw steam to launch 80,000-pound jets in seconds. The arresting wire stops a speeding jet in just 300 feet. Immense heat and pressure are generated with every landing.
Commanders watch every move from the highest point on the ship.
The carrier is a floating magazine of extreme firepower. The deflector protects the deck from the heat of the jet engine. Replenishment at sea is a dance between two massive giants. The psychological toll of months at sea is the heaviest burden. Every weapon is handled with surgical precision. A masterpiece of engineering protecting the world's oceans. The $13 billion floating city, a testament to human ingenuity.